the truth, you know. I wanna like you know, can go chuck off. From Vybz Kartel forward from prison, dancehall no change. Talk the truth, people. Dancehall no change. Vybz Kartel make 3/4 of the artists them have to go hide. Cause them bad mind. Vybz Kartel are focus on film life, film career, musically, and them are focused on Vybz Kartel. You see the difference? That's why they can't find a song. And them bad mind, they aren't no clean. But they are shrewd and hear them a chat. I just go and listen and I say the same thing would I do me too. One thing I know talking can't stop nobody in a life. Kartel a giant. And he bring a excitement to dancehall. And many am GOOLIE. I mean, no fear no artist. I mean, a bad mind, no artist. I just do my thing. I find songs like every day. Cause I like when artists bad. I don't like artists bad mind. Vybz Kartel change the entire dancehall. Some artists when they run the place, when they go ask them for collab, and you try to reach out to them, they hype on you. They must say your day is done. Because probably you did get a run before them. So they must say, I feed them time now. I don't know why I don't collab with you because you say it's a hype, yeah, look. So when you so young and phone day is done. When you can't find a song again. One thing say dancehall at one place, you just find one or three song and I hit that I wear the man. No. A longevity. So no give Vybz Kartel in respect. And ask you no. Give me respect. Dancehall hot again. Vybz Kartel change dancehall again.
I come for talk facts, I want to talk
and I just Jamaica,
so like
the entire world.
They don't know the things set already though. So we come for talk about the cartel situation when it comes to dancehall and media and all of them little thing there. You see what I try to say? When you just watch a video with a brother, you don't know a GOOLIE, one artist, get song, but we don't know what going on film right now. I will come for address way massive because that brother here from cartel found out of prison. Him just a chat one bag of thing, one bag of nonsense. You see me for try get a hype or try for get in the Gaza fans pan film thing them. See? So him I go say from cartel come from prison. See? No. Him I go say from cartel forward dancehall change. See? I mean I wonder what you mean by dancehall change? I don't understand. Because cartel most in the media. You see me? And the media no 100% fully have to do nothing with music. You see me? From cartel forward out for a man for lock up for 13 years. See? And the music them and hit song them and forward out now. Remember the artists they wrote that been putting in the work and every little thing. You see me? So what I mean by dancehall change? Because dancehall right so. One man alone can't run dancehall. You see me? You need a group for go out they go represent dancehall. Come realize you're not try to put one man. Put dancehall in a one man hand. You understand? If a cartel alone was a dancehall artist, dancehall would be nothing right now. Come on, know when I try to put dancehall in a one man hand. And that's how it work, brother. One man can't run a genre, brother. You need a group. You see me? Yeah. So him go say cartel make artists a hide because of them bad mind. Tell me now, brother. What kind of statement that? You see? You go say artists a hide. What you mean artists a hide? What? Because Vybz Kartel always a post himself on the media. People always a video him and it go viral or whatsoever. What? Through the artists them no do what cartel do. Mean say them a hide and them bad mind. Because them realize, you know, these are the thing people. And we know Gaza fans them are got in them feelings. We don't know how them stay already when it comes to them artists. But they don't like the facts and when people talk the facts. You see me? Because every time somebody talk about cartel or talk them opinion or talk facts, them say them bad mind cartel. I don't understand, brother. You see me? No bad mind people. We just talk. You see me? Vlogger make for talk. You see me? We talk on certain things and we have to address certain things. When we have a bad mind cartel over. Yeah, he might have more money. He might have 10 houses or one bed him can sleep, you know. 10 car or 1 car him can drive. You see me? So I don't know when I talk about bad mind. Or every time people talk about cartel or bad mind, when we talk about other artists are different thing. You see me? Because I don't know which artist fear bad mind cartel right now. You see me? Because I just facts people attack. When you put dancehall around one man, you see me, like say him alone can carry the genre. When you usually say dancehall they are prison. But when you check it, dancehall still represent the world. I don't understand that. You see me? So him go say artist bad mind. You see me? I mean which me not understand that. Is it because he must say Kartel I focus on film career musically. I mean I say brother, from Kartel come to prison. Yeah, him dropping music, people talk about it, but the most of people talk about the controversial part of it, the drama. When you don't see what going on in the media with him baby mother and wife and every little thing. Some don't understand, realize try put dancehall in the media thing when it comes to drama and them little. That is not dancehall, brother. Dancehall is music. And when we are going to talk about Kartel now, it's not about music. You see me? It's all about the drama, the visa, all of them little thing there. You see me? Visa, whatever man, him a link up by the artist there when him and them fall out. You see what I try to say? Him and him baby mother, every little thing, brother. That not have nothing to do with dancehall, brother. That is some drama thing. You see me? Because remember Kartel and people are post him life out there. You see what I try to say? Other artists them are still low key. You see me? So now I go say about BADMINE and whatsoever. You see me? Because everything with the artists them do, we not highlight them thing there. You see me? We not highlight it. All when them do great. But when Kartel do it now, we make it look like say, yo, this special, this world or whatsoever. Blood run through everybody vein, brother. You see me? If we be supportive with the other artists them, maybe things would not go on for them. But you not put Kartel above them. And then when people talk, we not go talk about BADMINE. Like say the artists them never do it out there. You see me? The artists them are put in them work too. You see what I try to say? So, this are the thing. Alright, you are gonna say Kartel focus on him career musically. If Kartel focus on him career musically, Kartel would not drop music, same like when he usually drop all 17, 20 songs back then. Right now, if you realize right now, the Beanie Man and the kingship thing are that I bring up right now. You see me? Kartel not drop no music like when he drop back then. So when you go talk about Kartel focus, Kartel put him life out there. In my video and I put him life out there. So when people have them opinions and things for talk, you see me? One is like, you want cow down people or whatsoever. You understand? So, you don't forget the thing straight. You see me? Yeah. So, you see another thing. You say the artist them can't find a song. GOOLIE, when last you find a hit song? You are worried about other artists. Try to find hit song. Where your hit song there? You understand? Because you talk about other artists or whatsoever. You know a song, brother. So you come and critique and try cheer up things and I try bring down other artists or whatsoever for prep up your thing. You see what I try to say? When last you find a hit song? You see me talk for yourself. See? Because you talk about other artists and them do good, them do shows. When last you see you up on a stage? You see me? Because right now you try to use Kartel thing to try to prep up your thing. You see me? So I don't know where you talk about, but can't find song. You see me? Because when I put dancehall in the media to make it look like that is dancehall. You understand? Through them a repost Kartel getting visa, everybody a talk about it. Una make it look like yeah man, Kartel a run dancehall. That's not dancehall, brother. That's not dancehall. Dancehall is music. Music we are talk about. Stop. From Kartel come to prison, it's like gonna change dancehall to media and drama now. You see me? It's not about no music and music again. It's what I try to say. So when I talk about dancehall, don't try make it look like say I want to go on in the media. You see me? Because before social media, when dancehall represent, it was all about music. So nobody try change up the game now because of Kartel. You see me? Kartel are dropping music, yes. But on the music make him always go viral. And the things them will happen to him and the things them when name call up in the drama and whatsoever who want him in a tussle. That not have nothing to do with dancehall, brother. You see me? So when you go try talk about artists can't find song or whatsoever, the artists them a drop song. The artists them a do them show same way. It's just because nobody now repost them or whatsoever seem like how them a repost Kartel or them now repost them life and them daily livings. Kartel a do that because a Kartel that. You see me? So stop make it look like say yo but artists now no artists now get no song or drop no song or can't find no song. You understand? Things change right now because what? Music are listening and you don't know the drama thing is a vision thing where you can watch and see two people are cuss or a man a walk or whatsoever. It's a vision now. 2025 vision. You see me? But stop mix up dancehall and media drama. Are two different things that. You see what I try to say? So brother, so you say they're studio and you hear them talk about Kartel or whatsoever and you just sit down and listen. For sure say, oh brother, you're not a genuine friend, you're not a genuine partner or nobody for par with. Because if you have a bridging or have people you're there on and you can address them and say, yo, we're not talk, that's not right. But you prefer sit down and forward on the media and talk about you listen and hear them attack and you just listen, brother. Is what I try to say? It shows say, yo, you're not genuine, dog. You're not loyal. You see me? You just forward on the media just say for try use Cartel name and prop up your thing. You see me? And that's why maybe you can't get no hit song, nothing not going for you musically. You see me? Because of your ways. Because if it from Cartel come out, before Cartel come out, we never see her go on so. You see me? The way you go on is like some cheerleader thing. You see me? Like some praises. We have to try to do some praises to get the Gaza fans them. Because we know the Gaza fans them stay ready. The Gaza fans them loyal to them artists. You see me? Them not loyal to the people where my endorse or whatsoever. You see me? That's how the thing said. So you come out here talk about you listen to the man them attack. You're not genuine, brother. If you don't like what the man them say, adjust the man them then. You come and talk on the media or whatsoever, brother. Why you never say it to the man them then? You I go say Cartel a giant and he bring excitement to dancehall. Same thing again. Stop mix up social media drama with dancehall, brother. And that me realize we don't need, you know. We not try to switch up the thing from Cartel come and road, you know. You see me? Because you I go say that and make it look like say yo about excitement to dancehall, brother. We this have to do with music or Cartel are doing in media. What that have to do? You understand? Sometimes the whole I want to just talk and not talk sense, brother, because I don't want like a hype. I don't want like a fame off I want to say and you don't care. Brother, when not come in the media and talk facts, brother, and stop talk because you selfish with what you say. You understand? Because you want to get the clout, you want to get the prep up from the Gaza fans or whatsoever, brother. You see me? Because things want to say in the media, we come hand to the back. You see me? You say you find song every day. You see? You I forgot to tell the people them know which song because I realize you don't you know. When I make talk, you know, and you know prove or no facts of that, you know. Where you say you find song every day. What you mean? You mean you record song every day? Because I don't know which hit song you find every day, so. You understand? Because everything what you talk, brother, you know what you talk. Because you say you find song every day, brother. I know when you hit song them. You see me? So I don't know where you talk about you find song every day. What kind of song that? Eh? I don't think you have 10 hit song good yet. You see me? Where you talk about find song every day. Which song you find every day? You know Vybz Kartel, brother, so you talk about find song every day. You see me? Set your facts straight, brother. You I go say Vybz Kartel change the entire dancehall. Alright, listen what you just said a while ago. When you say Vybz Kartel change the entire dancehall, I don't understand that. I don't understand. When you not talk, when you think before you talk, brother. You see me? Think before when you talk. You see me? Because you are going to say Vybz Kartel change the entire dancehall. Change it how? I understand when it comes to the media, him always go viral. We understand that. But what it have to do with dancehall changing? What it have to do? I don't understand. Cartel just some music where you know like people are tuning into Vybz Kartel music like how them usually back then when them never did a see him. Now them a see him repost and every little thing. You notice the things them we are go viral for Cartel right now. You see the show, the visa, the Grammy. Seeing all of them little thing there. Seeing? We now forward out and talk about the music. The real way. You see me? I just look at drama thing. What him a do? When him drink, him drunk, him drop down, all of them things. Them things nothing to do with dancehall, brother. So when you say change dancehall, what you mean? Where is the change? Dancehall are the same, brother. I don't know what not talk, but I'm telling you say this one man dancehall thing. Brother, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, brother. You see me? It don't make no sense. I don't understand. We not going like say Cartel the prison and him never did a drop no song none at all. And when him forward the road, a bass song he did a drop. Bro, Cartel been dropping song from him there prison. How much he sang? You see? So now going like say the man never dropped no song back then. So when you say change dancehall, what you mean by change? I don't understand. We change what? When you still keep on mix up the media thing with dancehall thing, brother. See? But man around dancehall when I'm mostly the media thing him around. I don't understand that. Set on the facts straight, brother. And stop with this cheerleader thing and this praises thing or whatsoever and worshipping thing. You see me? It now make no sense, brother. Alright, I realize say you and some man have a little dispute or something when it comes to artist collab. Because seem to me, like say, you link a man or link some artist where do it and the man them say you're not going to for you not get no collab. So you want to forward on the media and vent but a certain thing, but you want to use Cartel thing now for try Both your thing. When you in your feelings because you link some artists and artists them say yo, nothing now go on for you so you not get no collab, so you want to put the emotions in the media now. And this is the thing, you know, it's not say from here you start talk. I kind of realize maybe you hear some man attack or some artist attack and you not get no collab. You see it, realize you maybe I try use cartel thing for try beat. Because you say 3/4 dancehall artists. Zine, you try use cartel for beat the artist them. When be not do it when cartel in a prison. Zine, cartel forward out and he just pick up back from where him left off. You understand? That is the thing. So you in your feelings over some collab thing. You see me? Where you not get because maybe the person say yo nothing not go on for your brother. You see me? So when I collab thing, your thing now go energize or whatever. Brother, leave that or you go to the person and vent with that, brother. You company media chat trash about things where you don't know about. You see me? Cause you try man worshipping thing. This about artists. Nah, drop no song because them BADMINE and whatsoever, brother. Brother, cartel run the media. We know that. You see me? Reposting and everything. You see it? So, I don't know what you talk about, brother. As a man, you should not even accompany media, brother, and talk them way the dog. Because we are talking now make no sense. You see me? Because right now, we are trying to put all the praises to cartel. Just because maybe you know get a collab or whatsoever, you and some artists and things or whatsoever. You see me? Because you know say cartel in the media. Brother, man up, brother. You see me? And talk facts when you talk. Stop going on your feelings. You see me? You are gonna say artists are if you give Vybz Kartel respect. Brother. It's like you tell people them or tell the artists them say yo, when if you bow to cartel or whatsoever, brother. What you talk about respect? See? Who really are disrespect cartel in the real way right now? See? Who are disrespect cartel for the work when put in a dancehall? See? Who are these praises and these special ratings and all of them little thing there. Brother, when if you come down now, man. Come down now, brother. You see me? Cause you got talk about you not ask, I tell if you give respect. So wait. So a cartel alone as a dancehall artist forget respect. And that you try to say. So no other artists in a dancehall no forget respect then. Zine, for what them do in a dancehall. You see me? Because every artist contribute to dancehall. Every artist. You see me? Every artist contribute to dancehall. Yard and abroad. Because people abroad listen to them songs same way. And people like it. You see me? So respect for go to all artists. All dancehall artists forget respect. You understand? Because once you do a music and it hit, and it go out there in the world and people like it, and them say, alright, a Jamaican artist it, them a represent same way. So you gotta talk about Vybz Kartel, forget respect. Every other artist forget respect to brother. You see me? Stop make the respect go to one man alone. Me telling about this one man thing and dancehall thing. Every artist forget it. You see me? When I stop put praises and stop put dancehall on one man back. Because Kartel can't carry dancehall nowhere right now. You understand? Him can't do that right now. The key big. There's a lot of artists in the space right now. You understand? Because you yourself, I know you don't listen to one artist every day. You understand? If you only listen to one artist every day. Because if you listen to one artist, you wouldn't know about none. You see me? I know you listen to more than one artist. You see me? So don't stop this crazy thing, brother. You see me? Because what I do, when I mash up the business, when I talk, and I put dancehall in a one man hand. When other artists out there in the world I represent. You see it? And then when people turn on, I go say about BADMINE and whatsoever. Everything, with people opinion have to do with BADMINE. We don't just like hear the facts when it comes to cartel situation. We not go take fan with cartel do. Cartel do great things for dancehall too. You see me? He's a giant and every little thing. We can't take that. But this one bag of praising thing and about artists now drop no song. Artists now find this and whatsoever and rare. If you check it right now, most of the artists them, top artists them are so under cartel wing. You understand? The thing we are going right now is mediocre thing. You understand? Cartel is well posted, Cartel is well promoted than any other artist. You see me? It's otherwise from Alkaline. You see me? Cartel well promoted. You see it? People always have to post him. Remember, you know, Cartel get back in visa now, you know. You see me? Him get back in visa, you know. And you say something to about dancehall hot again. Yo, brother, I tell you, though. But you know what you mean, Nagangul? What you mean by dancehall hot again? Like, what you mean? So wait, at this more you know. So when Cartel did that drop song, couple years ago, dancehall never hot then. At that you try say. At that more you know. When Cartel did the drop song back then, dancehall never hot. Or when him come a road dancehall hot. At that more know. Cause what you say, it nah make no sense. You know, realize, brother. You will say dancehall hot again because of Cartel. So Cartel, so wait, Cartel never did a drop no music years back then. It looks so to me. You understand? It looks so to me. And the dancehall hat where you attack, you know, is not nothing to do with music, you know. Cause right now, at the king thing with him and Beanie, and the look of thing my bounty say, Zine, and the look of and the visa where him get. You see me? Yeah, Cartel get back him visa and thing. It's a good thing for him. Because him can go out there and link up with him for link up or whatsoever. Nothing wrong with that. But this uproar thing or whatsoever, we don't know what happened back in the past. And you see me, for some people maybe they wouldn't get it. Artists their road. Artists their road how long I do them thing and we can't get it. Him forward out and him get it. You see me? We don't know the powers, we don't know the links, we don't know everything already. But when you ever say about dancehall hot again, I say then dancehall always hot. You understand? Dancehall always hot. It's just the media thing kinda overshadow the dancehall space. Because right now, whatever Cartel doing in the media, you know, people are gonna post it or whatever. That not have nothing to do with dancehall and music. You see me? And we are talking about dancehall, we are talking about dancehall and music. We're not talking about no mediocre thing. Stop mix dancehall with mediocre thing. You see me? That me I try say. So, cause remember you know, we not talk about, and this is the thing I want to adjust to. You see me? Because we not talk about, yeah, Cartel they prison, do it a prison or whatsoever. How much artists in a Jamaica go prison? See? And can record to the fullest or spend the amount of years where Cartel spend in a prison. If you do what Cartel do, and that more I know. Can you keep on and bring up this prison thing, him do it from prison or whatsoever. The things them were done in the prison with Cartel. And not every artist have the power can do that. We have the team can do that. You understand? Because some of the time when I talk, when I go and like say, yo, Cartel did it, Cartel produce in a prison, Cartel push it out and I advertise it and I promote it. Like say, him alone. Bro, Cartel get help, him have a team. We help him and promote him thing. Him have artists. We rate him and promote him thing. You see me? Because sometimes when I talk and I make like say, yo, him alone do it and way. You see me? Remember say when him there prison too. Zine? Yeah, now say him no put out great music. Because if you have quality thing and great and to put out there so people can relate. Because if you that do trash, it wouldn't go to the extent where thing where him there right now. You understand? So this do it from prison thing. And not him alone. And not him alone do it. And I go and like say every other dancehall artist go prison go spend 13 years. You understand? And just because of the powers and every little thing and the influence the Cartel have, make him could do all the way. Him did do behind bars. Is what me I try to say. I want to know that. And if you talk facts man and stop talking about do it from prison or whatsoever. Because enough of them young youth they have the opportunity or the links or the power the Cartel have. Them would not do it too. But them don't have it. So stop compare about do it from prison or whatsoever. Because it's not a norm thing, it's not a normal thing when it comes to being a prisoner record and drop song and ray and this, that. We know the politics. We know say politics run things, we know that already. You see me? Cartel have everybody in their hands. So everything are different. You see me? No other rest of artists, them not have them opportunity there. Them not have them the powers there. We not go and like say the man them have powers. You see me? Because yeah, Cartel might be a prison, yes. And the man them with the artists them with their road. Cartel maybe have more powers. Who promote him thing, have the DJs them, have the people them, some of the people them who promote him thing, the artists them their road. Them not have them team there to do that when them their road. So now try to talk about this prison thing or whatsoever. Yeah, and push out good music and everything. But you can't put the pressure upon the artists them with their road. We not have the powers and the opportunity where Cartel have. You understand? So this from prison thing, that for cut out now, man. That for cut out now. You see me? Because now it not make no sense. And I have to really look upon things from every different angle. And every artist have the powers and the links where Cartel have in the street. You know that already. You see me? So when I got talk about do it from prison and the artists them with their road, where them did a do or whatsoever. Them not have it where you want them do. You understand? Them not have the links and the powers the Cartel have. You see me? That's why Cartel is a man today, because him have everybody under him belt. Him have who can do this, him have who can do that for him. You see me? And that's why the uproar now. That's why when things post and every little thing, all of them pager, him have him vlogger them. You see me? Him have everybody in every category for push him thing or for defend him thing and propel him thing. So stop compare artists with their road with where him their prison have the powers and the man him their road. The man him not have them powers there. So no cannot use that to be the artist. Them say them not drop no song. Them not do no hit from Cartel Father Road or whatsoever. You understand? Because if Cartel drop a song today, DJ them a go blast it. Him just make one call, one this. Them a go blast it. This a go promote it. This a pager. Everything. You understand? When you don't see it already. You don't see the ratings level already. So you beat the other rest of dancehall artists them. For a man who have all of the powers and opportunity over them. You see me? Because if enough artists go prison Man like Tommy Lee, Laden them, Ninja Man them. You understand? They might not in a prison. The amount of time when Cartel in a prison. But look, when Tommy Lee go prison, we don't really hear nothing. Nothing I produce, all of them good thing there. You see me when Laden go the same thing. See Ninja Man in there right now, same thing. You see me? Look there. Bojo go prison forward out, him never that drop no song. When him forward out start drop song. You see me? But what? Bojo thing big, legendary level. Bojo keep him show them, mash up the place, him have stadium where sell sold out how much one bag of thing. You see me? Cause I forgot I forgot say, yeah, Cartel thing bigger Jamaica. But remember say you have the world out there. You see me? Cause no found no attack and no know when it comes to dancehall and represent domination out there in the world. Cartel no get to do that pan a full energy yet. You know get to dominate the big stage out there like some artists I do. You see me? Cause we not attack off a Jamaican era and some little diaspora era overseas. You see me? Him not do that yet. So no can beat the artist them now through the media sensation right now with him and I beat the artist them. You see me? See him like how I beat Beanie now. When I beat Beanie till him forward out with a video. You see me? When I beat the man till the man come on the media for ball and whatsoever. Right now you look like you want to cancel Beanie to Rotted car. Right now man have to come out and address. One time I think the man I go cry to Rotted. You see me? Because the little king thing and rare. Because if you really check it by facts, yeah, we know that Beanie no boss no artist. We know that. You see me? We know that Beanie no two boss no artist or what. But he might show an artist certain things or whatsoever. You see me? So he might not boss no artist, but Beanie Man do it out there. Him do it out there in the world. We all know anywhere Beanie Man go, people know him. Him do it out there. We can't take away work from what him do. You see me? And if him are the king and him crown king and Cartel come take the king thing. What you mean? If you're a king, you have to fight for your throne. You see me? You can't just make a man come take your thing so. You see me? Because Cartel do the work. Me talk about work, stage work and everything. Both locally and worldwide. Cartel not do that what Beanie do. Him not do it yet. And I facts that. Him not do what Beanie do yet. Out there from yard and abroad. Him not do that yet. Beanie tour down the place. Cartel not do that yet. You see me? Might no, maybe I gonna do that now. Maybe Cartel gonna do that now. But no can't take away from what Beanie do. Seem like when I say people respect Cartel, I see him for respect Beanie too. Because Beanie do it out there in the world and represent dancehall the real way too. Big too. You see me? So no can't really take that from Beanie. You see me? Because right now, we not talk about run dancehall and run this and run that. Zine? Because right now, if nobody no post up Cartel no post up himself in the media. Everybody I forget about Cartel. Me I tell you that. Them I got do it because I see it already. You see me? Me see when other things bring up, body not talk about Cartel again. And him did a post a little video ray. And just because Cartel is repeatedly repostable. You see me? People always post him up. So him well posted more than any other artist in the media. So we understand say the reaction and everything are gonna be all upon him. If other artists did not do it and I do something what him a do in the media, them would not go viral too. And maybe no dana say yo him a run the place too. You see me? So no can't use the disadvantage or the advantage of the thing in the music and when it comes to the media. You see me? Because Cartel have all the links and powers to get all of the reaction where I get right now. Some artists not have that. So no cannot beat that there is an artist about where them they and me see when Cartel fall from prison, we not talk about no other artists not drop no song. I say what? What you mean by no other artists that drop song, artists been dropping song? But why? It's because no one put dancehall in a one man hand or from one man back. So no only view what him a do and now view what the other artists them a do. That's why I not talk about what artists them a drop or whatsoever. Because back then like a couple years ago, the artists them a dominate and the artists them still a dominate same way. It's just that Cartel have some little thing I go on right now. Can I go on like say a 24/7 Cartel thing go viral? I know 24/7. You have other things that bring up where people are talk about. You see me? Like the Rumish thing and some other little thing will go on in the media. You see me? And the youth of them take down off of the TikTok where they or whatsoever. So you know if speak facts some of the time and stop put things around one man. You see me? Because right now, Cartel career now 100% right now. And me knowing himself, him know him now fully do what him want to do. Like when I talk about yard and abroad. I'm not tour down the place them yet. Him not tour down the world yet. Him not do shows yet. You see me? Him not do some big shows, big move yet. And that him want to accomplish now. I'm saying I'm going to take dancehall or whatsoever. But if you check the fact right now, and I like people are tuning into Vybz Kartel music like how them usually do back then. Because what? The media reposting and the media damage. It damage film thing. So people more steer. If you realize, people talk about what Kartel doing in the media than talk about music. The visa thing I go viral. Grammy, everything. You see? Nobody now when you drop a song, nobody now have it highlight. Yo, this, that. You see me? Them talk about it 1 day, 2 day, that gone. Look how much the people talk about the visa thing now. You see me? If them did that do that with the music, it would be a different thing. But them not do that. You see me? Because the music when I drop recently, you know, have the quality again. You know, in Vice gone and every little thing. But the thing is that, you know, him have some show forward, you know, and we are going to see what go on. You see me? And we're going to talk about it. Although, we still go, you know, if fans them and the guys are going to say people BADMINE. And I don't know. When people talk about the artists, I never hear not talk about BADMINE. Only when it come to Kartel, it BADMINE. I don't understand that. You see me? I when things when people start about things, everything people talk about Kartel BADMINE. I don't understand. A Kartel I put things out there, people are critique what I do or what I say. So I BADMINE that. When somebody talk about everything we talk about BADMINE, you see me? For sure say you have a BADMINE reaction. Can you feel like say when people talk about Kartel, you feel like say people I try cow down him thing or I try people attack facts. You see me? People have them opinion and things. You see me? When I talk about now, oh, yo, him buy a big house and, you know, no other artist not buying a big house and whatever, we are talking about what going on at the media. You see me? Because there's opinion, always opinions. You see me? So, all about now talk, now make no sense. You see me? I know Gaza fans are going to follow that me now. You see me? I just say Gaza fans that when it comes to them artists. You see me? Them are going to say this and say that. We can't stop that. I them that. You see me? Because them not like the facts, you know. You see me? And them not like sit down and look into things. Because, you know, some of them are some worship thing and, you see me, them brain gone and whatever. You have a good Gaza fans, them see them. You have a real Gaza fans, them will listen. You see me? And look into things. And you have a one them with them not look into things. You see me? Them not focus. Them just start, emotions just start fly. You see me? And if them think and sit down, because this dancehall thing and this media thing is like it a merge in a one right now, which not make no sense. Which no better is a Kartel around the media right now. Him around the media with the visa thing. Yeah, it a go around the media. You must say man a fall from prison, you know. And it's not a regular thing where a man just fall from prison and get back in visa in such a short time and space. You understand? So it a go viral. It's not a usual thing. It's a rare thing. So people are gonna talk about it. You see me? So like when people start talking about it now, people are gonna say, a BADMINE. Come on, man. You see me? This BADMINE thing for come down now. I don't know when people have opinion on BADMINE. No BADMINE that, brother. You see me? I no BADMINE that. You see it? It just look away. You see me? Like all the artists themselves who are try to get the visa or whatever and can't get it. Where you feel like say them now sit down and look into things and say, yo, Jano, where. Them are aware and a BADMINE that. You see me? And a BADMINE that. Them are think and wonder why them not get it. Them are say, yo, Jano, Kartel get the visa and me there and me can't get it. That now nothing to do with Kartel. Them a wonder, them a think say, yo, a wagwan. You see me? So all I want to talk, brother, sometimes if I just talk the facts. You see me? And stop the feelings moment. You see me? But people don't know, you know. I mean the facts, you know, just like, share and subscribe, you know. I see some people in a comment. And my last video, I drop on the Kartel with the Grammy thing. Them I say, yo, them subscribe thing and them not like what I say. I say you go, an opinion, and everybody will like what you say. You yourself, everything you talk in your life, and not everybody like what you say. I say you go. You see me? Either you with it or not. A people opinion and you can't judge that and say, yo, a Ray and slackness and Ray because you rate this money or whatsoever. We just talk and you can pick some of it. You see me? I know now getting no feelings, but you can't stop that. But you see me? Big up on yourself still same speed. You see me? Car a music we are talking about situation we are going at the media same speed. You see me? But I just saw it go. If you don't like it, I just saw it go. If you like it, big up on yourself. You don't know media facts, you know. I that.